Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Nature and I'm here to take you into the wonderful world of psychiatry. Let me take you on a journey through Amazonian lost civilizations of consciousness, exploring entheogenic substances that will allow you to connect to Gaian consciousness.
Rozell, and if you didn't know this, I am the only indigenous African-American shaman in New York City. And I'm here to present to you the new film that I just made, hot off the presses, and it's called Ibogaine. That's right, Ibogaine, because you gain something from it. I've been dealing Ibogaine for years in the streets. I mean, I've been a medicine man with Ibogaine, making it with indigenous tribal elders for years in New York City and giving it to the people for the small price of $50 a dosage. That's right, but that's the cheapest you can get it, and you can get my film for only $25.99. It is the best movie about Ibogaine ever. It is the best. What do you want? What do you want? What? This is my film, man. I directed that. I wrote, directed, and produced that.
You didn't make this film.
Yes, I did. I am an indigenous African-American shaman. Can't you see it? Don't you see me? Don't you see who I? Don't you know who I'm Rozell, motherfucker.
Oh yeah, my name is Nature, and I'm here to remind you that the Kettle brand chips, New York cheddar with herbs, tastes better when you're stoned. Wow, that cloud looks like my girlfriend. Whoa.
From Budapest, and I love two things in life: vodka and Krumping. And I am going to show you what it means to me to be a Krumper. Here we go.
They call me the Che Guevara of Portland, Oregon, man. I am the biggest, baddest revolutionary, man. I pack bowls for peace, man. I roll with the pieces for peace, man. You know? I wasn't born in Argentina or anything, but, you know, I roll with my homies down the street. And, you know, I don't even speak Spanish, man, but, you know, I'm Latino, man. And, like I said, man, Che Guevara, that's it, man. That's all you got to know about me, man. Is that him and I, we're like the same person, man. We're like the same person. And what you gotta say about that, huh?
Aren't you being like stereotypically racist?
Hey, man, I don't need you to be back talking me like that. Why don't you go get a real job at a taqueria or something, huh? I'm gonna get my homies, these Crips, to blow your freaking head off.
Hello. I am Darth Nature. This is the part of me that you don't want to see. Go ahead. Ask me to be funny. The next person that asks me to be funny, oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Go ahead, tell me to be funny. Tell me. See what happens